everyone, my name is Jackie Cooper, and I am excited to be talking with you today. I would like to share the origin story of the Blockchain Legal Institute. So, as many of you might know, I am Crypto Mom 2. I have a talk show called Crypto Mom 2. I've been doing that for a number of years. I'm also the author of the Bitcoin Cinderella adventure stories, the Bitcoin Cinderella, and the Seven Dwarves, and soon to be the Bitcoin Cinderella and the Pink Sands Treasure of Bermuda, as well as the Bitcoin Cinderella and the True Stories of Women in Bitcoin. So there's a lot coming down the pike with the series, and I'm really excited about that. But I really wanted to share today with you more about the Blockchain Legal Institute and how the origin story of that started, because it really was inspired when my team and I were at the Bitcoin conference in Miami in 2023, even though I'm already looking at 2024. So it's kind of strange to think that half the year is already gone. And I'm not sure when everyone will be seeing this little video, but I wanted to show and share with you the Blockchain Legal Institute so you can understand the value behind it. So the origin story is, and I was at the conference. CleanSpark had sponsored the giveaway of 1,000 of the books for the Bitcoin Cinderella and the Seven Dwarfs, for which we're very grateful. And with the giveaway of the book, I was approached by a young attorney who asked me, how did you become involved with blockchain law? And I shared that I'm really actually not in the traditional legal space. I am an educator. And so as a result of that, I'm happy to share information, I told her. But as she walked away, I realized that I've been learning for about 6 years or more about this space. And in doing the reading, a lot of the information, since we're in a decentralized space, is not very easy to navigate. So with that being said, I thought to myself, there needs to be a centralized hub which has access to the decentralized resources. And that's how the Blockchain Legal Institute was birthed. So I turned to a partner of mine and I asked if we could create this, and he said yes. And so one thing led to another, and now we have the Blockchain Legal Institute. So I'm going to quickly share my screen. And I wanted to share with you just a little bit of a tour. So there's the news feed, there's the Learn section, which has community learning, it has webinars, it has a whole slew of areas that you can check out. We also have the artificial intelligence vertical, we have the Bitcoin vertical, we have the Ethereum vertical, we have blockchain, all different use topics, which is evolving. So when you come back, there'll be new things added on all the time. Where this platform is now, where it's going to be 6 months from now, will be rich and heavy with information all surrounding the legal issues of the day. So we're talking about legal issues. We have the United States area, and we have all the states. And then we also have the global area, and countries are being added on daily with their information updated. Then we have member perks. We also have a list of associations that are growing. We have new associations being added on all the time. And then we also have a section for both CPAs as well as attorneys in terms of what they need to know for clients who might be in the blockchain space. We also are associated with the Anti-Human Trafficking Initiative because we believe in giving back. We will be having awards, and then we also list events throughout the year all over the world. And different people are pinging me right now and for more information, so that's kind of cool. And then we also have thought leaders. So again, this whole Blockchain Legal Institute, you can actually join. The free side is for the news and events, and then the subscription side will give you access to all the other information. So it is a wonderful place to network, to meet resources, and to have a conversation with those that are in the space. If you are new to this area, it's a great way to navigate the vocabulary. If you've been in this space for a while, it's important to learn what else is going on that will impact you, from compliance to those that you can actually use the services of. So definitely check it out, join. We invite you to become part of the community, and we're really excited to have you explore the Blockchain Legal Institute. Again, we designed it for you as a centralized hub for the decentralized space. It will save you time, and it has trusted resources on it. Anyway, as I always say at the end of all of my shows, be kind to yourself, be kind to others. We are so interconnected. We're all part of one world. And now more than ever, we are definitely more connected. So have a great day and become a member, and I will talk to you online. Have a great one. Bye.